Well, like every other sport that we do here, we're trying to teach them to break away from their usual way of doing things and see something different, and to open their eyes and to try to find photographs rather than just trying to fill up a shot list like they may do if they're working for their local paper or for a school. We just want them to see images. The backgrounds are terrible out here, and the sun is midday, so the light's pretty tough, and they kind of are jumping around a whole lot. It's tough to follow them, and there are other players that are in the way, so it's pretty tough to isolate the good action out here. Open your eyes, maybe even put the camera down when you first get there, and just look and see see what things look like. Where's this picture going to be? Don't come in with any preconceptions and a shot list. Go in there and look around and see what's in front of you.